Inspector General of Police Oluworo One-year has approved the redeployment of some senior police officers across several commands and formations. One of those posted is Commissioner of Police Margaret Agebe Resume to the Special Fraud Unit in Lagos. The officers and men at the unit received CPMA Resume with the honours befitting her office upon arrival.
As the new Commissioner of Police in charge of the Police Special Fraud Unit Lagos, I am both excited and humbled by this privilege given to me by the Inspector General of Police, Acting IGP Kayode Egbetokun, PhD, NPM, to serve as the head of this specialized, outstanding and distinguished unit of the force.
Meanwhile, CPMA Resume, who resumed as the 29th Commissioner of Police at the Special Fraud Unit in Lagos, is an outstanding and competent investigative police officer who is versed in criminology and crime investigation. She expressed her joys and expectations when she spoke with our reporters.
I intend to synergize closely with the unit stakeholders such as fintechs, telcos, deposit money banks, Central Bank of Nigeria (CBN), Nigeria Interbank Settlement System (PLC), Nigerian Deposit Insurance Corporation (NDIC), Lagos Judiciary, Federal High Courts, the diplomatic community, etc.
The Commissioner of Police asked for collaboration from relevant stakeholders towards actualizing the Inspector General of Police's visions and mandate towards crime prevention in Lagos State. In Lagos, Jennifer Mosu reporting for Newsbuster TV.